Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to log in to National Bank of Oman NBO. So guys, click the first result, National Bank login. As you can see here, wait to loading this page. As you can see here guys, click after that guys, all you have to do, click close option, and from here guys you find option login. If you don't find login, go back and scroll a little bit down and click sign in. As you can see here guys, and below sign in, and from here guys click your username and password. This is how you can do guys. Go to this website guys. As you can see, this link. And if you want to build back to the app, the same thing, just download the app and you see this option, login directly from this app. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share this video for more content, and see another video soon. From here guys, write your username and your password about this bank.